Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to copy and duplicate a page in Bigcommerce stores. Duplicating a page is helpful when we want to reuse a layout or structure without starting from scratch. Let's get started. In the Bigcommerce dashboard, copying a page is done manually. There is no automatic way to copy a page, so we need to do it step by step. To begin, go to the storefront and then to Web Pages. Once we are in the Web Pages section, open the page we want to copy, such as one called Statistics or District Views. Here, we will see all the details of the page. If we want to copy the content, we need to save these details or take notes. After that, save and exit the page. Then, create a new page. Now, enter all the details we saved into the new page. Once everything is filled in, click Save and Accept. That's it. Another way to copy a page manually is by using the storefront. We can use the storefront by clicking it in the upper right corner. Once there, click again in the upper right corner to select Design this page in Page Builder. After clicking this, open the page we want to copy. If we want to copy this page, we need to create another page and give it a page name and page URL. For example, we can use copy and paste for these fields. Once we have a new page, enter the details from the original page into this copy page. This is how we copy a page from another page in Bigcommerce. Everything needs to be done manually, as there is no automatic copy and paste feature. Using duplicated pages can save us time and help keep a consistent design across our store.